No more bets. Good luck. Nine red. The winning number is 9 red or line section. Load number first dice and third column. Many compliments to the winners. The bets are now open. Thank you.
Sophia, actually, but whatever. Best close luck. My best friend, my best girlfriend. No. No, he might just go out with like here in the town, you know. He goes with the best open, thank you. Oh, I had something else to tell you, but I'm running out of time. Because there was this thing, I asked something of my guy friend, you know, help with something. I'll tell you in short. Help with something. And bets closed, good luck. And my boyfriend was like, why didn't you ask me? To find me, basically. So that's why I went through my friend and not through my boyfriend, because you can find me through my boyfriend. Anyway, difficult thing to 24 black. Explain. 24 black, your section, high even second class and third column. And Jimmy needs another best open, thank you. And he got a little mad that I asked my friend for help and not him. And I was like, well, hello. Well, you know, I explained it to him, but he was still like, yeah, okay, best place, good luck. Let him help you, whatever. And I was like, okay, little princess. It was funny. But I'm gonna go now. This is my last spin, so I'm gonna have to go. And I'll see you tomorrow. The winner was 36 with your section high even third as and third column. My compliments to the winner is the best open association time. I'll use my colleague. I'll see you. Thank you. You take care. Bye bye.
Hello. My name is Kevin. I'm a new dealer. Good luck to everyone.
Hello to everyone. My name is Roulette, and
11 black. Hello, I'm not part of your section. No number first as the second column comes to rest of the winners, but are open. Number bad skill out. Five red. So the winning number is 5 red, part of your section. No number first as the second column comes to rest of the winners, but are open. Number bad skill out.
Stand in other shows. 19 for the dinner for the
17 block. The winning number is 17 block from our bullet section. No